So, brings us to internet search engines. Okay, tons of internet search engines out there. Yeah, the main ones out there are Yahoo and Google, Bing. Those are the three big ones right now. There's a whole bunch of other ones that have come and gone over the years. Ask is still around. But what you're going to find is those are your popular ones. Those are the ones that are geared more towards popular culture, towards sales. Google, Yahoo, they are publicly traded companies. They're there to make money. Okay. Bing is owned by Microsoft, which is also a company who's trying to make money. So what you'll find with those ones is they kind of tailor the searches to things that they want to do. There's a lot of ads on them, like the top 5 searches for Google are paid spots, you know, that kind of thing. So it's not always the best information you're going to find. You're usually going to find your best sources of information on the 2nd or 3rd page of a Google search. But there are other ones, and here are 3 of my favorites that I've used over the years in school. Okay, one's called InstaGrok. It's my favorite. It's pretty cool looking, and I'll show it to you guys in a little bit here. Sweet Search, search engine for students. That's what they call it. IPL2. This is the Internet Public Library version 2. And then there's tons of other ones out there, and they're all smaller and they're more tailored to certain things. Okay, they search differently and they find different kinds of information. So what we're going to do right now is I'm going to do a web tour, and I'm going to show you InstaGrok, at IPL2 and Sweet Search. Okay, so this is InstaGrok, I-N-S-T-A Grok, G-R-O-K.com. This is a pretty different search engine. Okay, you're going to see this very differently. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to log in, because there's some features I'll show you later. I'm going to do a quick search just on cougars. Okay, so the general idea of cougars. I won't go into great detail on this site. I encourage you to go and look and play with it yourself. Okay, but this thing here, if you look at it, looks really close to our concept map, the sheet that I gave you for coming out with questioning. Okay, so in the middle box, it's got cougars, and off of that, we have subtopics. North America, California, big cat, report, territory. Okay, if I click on one of these, okay, it'll give me subtopics to that. And also, and then I have this piece here that gives me key facts, so I can read some just quick key facts, and then it has the source too I can click on, and it'll take me to the web page. Okay, there's some recommended websites, so this is more what Google would do for you, give you recommended websites. You can check out some videos under it sometimes, depending on the content. Images, okay, there's a whole bunch in here. So now the big advantage of being able to log in with InstaGrok is you can actually type notes, and we'll do note taking at another time. But on here, you can type in your own notes and you can save them, and then you can print them. It gives you a journal option as well as quizzes. It's pretty cool. You can also change, you know, your background and your concepts and give you different colors like that. You can also change the difficulty of the information. So if I drop it right down to the basic, it's actually changed some of our outcomes. Like it says kitten there now instead of deer. It says cats instead of states. I can also increase it, and it's going to change other things. It comes with puma, which is another name for cougar. And depending on your topic, sometimes it'll give you lots of different information. All right. Okay, so InstaGrok, it's more visual. It kind of helps you sort your topics and your subtopics, and you can move them around and you can delete them. If I don't want to talk about Steve Winter, I can delete it. Okay, to take out California, right? There's lots of different pieces, and when I click on these things, it just gives me more information. I'm still going to get a lot of the same web page hits that I'm going to get from Google, but it just organizes it in a different way. The other thing you're going to find is that this is educationally focused, so you're going to find that it gives you information that you can use in a report. You're not going to have to sift through a whole bunch of websites that don't give you the right information. Okay? As I say, this is one of my favorite ones, and this is the one that I like to play with. And when you're actually doing research, it is a little bit more helpful.